This is such a fun hairstyle. On the top of the hair, I took out a triangular section. Then I went over on the right and I went straight down to behind the ear. Then the rest of the hair I pulled up into a high ponytail. I put a ponytail on the very top and I pulled at the hair to create this beautiful quiff. Now watch the technique. Take the hair forward, take the tails under and over and pull it through and create a knot. Now put everything together, do it again. Pull the hair forward using your fingers. Watch this, my 2 fingers come in. The tails flick under and over and pull. And I create this beautiful, beautiful knot. And I keep this going all the way through. I love this idea. For the full tutorial, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club. This is a great hairstyle to add into your collection. Perfect for flower girl, bridesmaid, or indeed the bride. Look at this now for a beautiful look.